والله 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 ايش بعد هذه البردة هذه؟ تعال 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 شوف. لا اله الا الله. ها والله إن أشكال غريبة اليوم هذه ما شفت مثلها.
The flooding has caused widespread damage with the roads and bridges washed away and power outage reported in some areas. Emergency services are working around the clock to provide assistance to evacuate those in need, with the helicopters and boats being deployed to reach isolated communities. The city of Tabuk in Saudi Arabia has been hit by severe flooding, with the torrential rain caused rivers and overflow and homes to be inundated with water. Local authorities have declared a state of emergency and are urging residents to take precautions and evacuate if necessary. The Saudi Arabian Crescent authority have set up relief centers to provide food, shelters, and medical assistance to affected residents. SARCA has also called to volunteers to assist with the relief efforts to provide aid to those in need. This flooding in Tabuk is start reminding to growing threat to extreme weather events due to climate change. The Saudi Arabian government has planned to take action to mitigate the effects of climate change, including reduced carbon emissions and investing in renewable emergency sources.